Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix earphone connection or headphone jack problem in your device Xcover 6 Pro. So if you're having any problem related to earphone connection or headphone jack in your device Xcover 6 Pro, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know whenever I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix earphone connection and headphone jack problem.